In the finishing stages, these high-speed machines process thousands of sheets an hour, ensuring every note meets the stringent security standards.
Welcome to one of the most secure manufacturing facilities in Southeast Asia, where technology, precision, and craftsmanship come together to produce Cambodia's remarkable 20,000 Riels banknote. Every banknote begins its journey with specially engineered cotton-based security paper designed for exceptional durability.
Every banknote begins its life as raw cotton fiber, delivered here to the high-security printing facility and loading dock.
During production, advanced security elements such as watermarks, embedded security threads, intricate guilloche patterns, and precision printing features are carefully integrated to help protect the currency against counterfeiting. Inside the printing hall, massive industrial presses apply multiple layers of specialized inks with microscopic accuracy. High-pressure intaglio printing creates the raised texture that gives the banknote its distinctive feel, while sophisticated inspection systems continuously scan every sheet to ensure perfect quality and alignment. The front of the note proudly features His Majesty King Norodom Sihamoni, symbolizing Cambodia's monarchy and national unity. On the reverse, the magnificent Banteay Srei Temple celebrates the country's extraordinary Khmer architectural heritage. After passing rigorous quality inspections, each sheet is precisely cut into individual banknotes, automatically counted, bundled, securely wrapped, and prepared for delivery under strict security procedures. The result is far more than a piece of currency. It is a combination of advanced engineering, artistic design, and national heritage. Every 20,000 Riels banknote represents the skill, innovation, and dedication behind one of the world's most sophisticated manufacturing processes. If you enjoyed this journey inside the world of high-security currency production, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next factory documentary. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.
The blank security paper sheets enter the offset printing hall, where the engraved portrait designs, in specific pink and purple-brown tones, are The steel intaglio plate holds the master engraving. Every line must be perfect before the high-pressure printing process can begin. The earliest raised ink elements form the incomplete portrait outline during this initial stage of the intaglio process. The high-speed numbering machine is prepared and aligned, then rapidly applies unique alphanumeric identification codes to the security printed notes. Inside this high-security facility, the newly printed sheets are prepared for cutting. The precision of the machine ensures every note is uniform before the blade descends. In synchronized harmony, these machines produce the nation's currency. The engraved notes are then securely packaged for the vault,